Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best soldering iron station, selected for their electronics, repairs, and creative projects, and choosing the right tools can transform your results completely. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. NovelLife TS101 Soldering Iron Station. The NovelLife TS101 soldering iron station is a powerful upgrade to the legendary TS100, designed for electronics enthusiasts who want portability without sacrificing performance. This compact pen-style soldering iron weighs only 33 grams, making it extremely lightweight and easy to handle for long repair sessions. The ergonomic anti-slip handle improves grip and comfort, while the larger display screen shows detailed temperature and status information clearly. One of the biggest highlights is its dual power input system, supporting both DC 5525 and USB Type-C interfaces. With PD 3.0 and up to 28 volts input, the TS101 can reach up to 90 watts output when using a compatible PD 3.1 charger and firmware version 2.0 or above. The internal heating design, combined with dual temperature sensors and an intelligent MCU chip, ensures rapid heat up in just seconds and maintains stable temperature control with automatic sleep and standby modes.
Number 2. ALIENTEK T80P Soldering Iron Station. The ALIENTEK T80P Soldering Iron Station is a smart, high-performance soldering tool built for precision and speed. Developed by ALIENTEK, the T80P features a modern Type-C interface that supports PD and QC fast charging protocols, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of power adapters. Operating within a 9 to 20 volt range, it delivers adjustable heating power from 18 watts up to an impressive 100 watts. At maximum power, it can melt solder in just 2 seconds, making it ideal for demanding repair jobs and larger solder joints. The 0.87-inch OLED display clearly shows working status, temperature, and settings, while its precise temperature control system maintains stability within 2% accuracy. Intelligent induction helps conserve energy by activating sleep mode when not in use. Despite its powerful performance, the T80P remains compact and portable, weighing only 38.5 grams. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable grip during extended use. Number 3. GVDA 65-watt Soldering Iron Station. The GVDA 65-watt soldering iron station is a sleek and efficient digital welding tool designed for electronics repair professionals and DIY users. Manufactured by GVDA, this model delivers up to 65 watts of power with rapid heating in approximately 8 seconds. Its USB Type-C interface supports PD and QC fast charging protocols, allowing flexible power options from 5 volt to 20 volt. The internal ceramic heating core with dual temperature sensors ensures fast heat up and stable performance. With a temperature range of 80 degrees Celsius to 420 degrees Celsius, users can easily adjust heat levels for delicate components or more demanding soldering jobs. The 0.87-inch OLED screen provides a clear view of temperature settings and operating status. Built with an aluminum alloy metal body, the soldering iron offers durability along with an ergonomic grip that feels solid and comfortable in hand. It supports PID precise temperature control, automatic sleep, standby mode, vibration sensing, and intelligent temperature compensation, improving safety and extending tip life.
Number 4. QUECOO T12 STM32 Soldering Iron Station. The QUECOO T12 STM32 Soldering Iron Station is a more traditional yet powerful desktop soldering solution built for serious electronics work. Powered by a stable STM32 microcontroller, this station ensures reliable program performance and accurate temperature control. The intelligent system allows users to wake the station simply by lifting the handle, enhancing workflow efficiency. Temperature adjustments are easy through the encoder knob, enabling quick changes during different soldering tasks. It supports fast heating and precise temperature regulation, making it suitable for both delicate circuit board repairs and larger soldering jobs. The automatic sleep and auto power off features help conserve energy and improve safety in busy workspaces. Compatible with T12 heating tips, it offers strong heat transfer efficiency and stable output. The solid base unit provides better stability compared to portable pen-style irons, making it ideal for workshop benches.
Number 5. FNIRSI HS02 Soldering Iron Station. The FNIRSI HS02 Soldering Iron Station is a modern, portable soldering iron that combines style with performance. Designed by FNIRSI, this compact device features a 0.96-inch HD color screen that clearly displays temperature settings and operating status. Supporting both PD and QC power protocols, it works with various USB-C power sources, making it highly versatile for home and field use. The adjustable temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius allows precise control for different soldering applications, from delicate PCB components to thicker wires. Rapid heating technology ensures it reaches working temperature within seconds, minimizing downtime during repairs. Its lightweight and ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended sessions. The portable structure makes it easy to carry in a toolkit or a backpack. And that wraps up the top 5 best soldering iron station. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.